Next one, car buying scams. They almost sold me a Hyundai Elantra that had no, what was it, carburetor? Was it a carburetor? The one that you need for AC. This was a dealership in good old Nova Scotia, for that matter, not even Ontario where they're ITA. Went into the dealership. I saw that the car was, looking good. The price was okay. Like, it wasn't a fantastically cheap price for you to say, it was obvious. It wasn't obvious that there was anything wrong with the car. But of course, when you're buying a car in Canada, you want to make sure that you actually take that car to a nearby mechanic, not the dealership's mechanic, a nearby mechanic that will check the car for you. Sometimes they don't even charge you. Sometimes they'll charge you only $30, $60. You go there, you take the car, drive it there, the dealership will let you drive it, and let them know that you're trying to buy this car. And they know the kind of tests to run on that car. So I took that car, went to a nearby mechanic, and the mechanic told me, you're never going to have AC on this car until you spend this amount of thousands of dollars replacing some parts that are missing. And I went back to the dealership and I said, how come you did not reveal this information? Like, on your website, you didn't say that there was anything wrong with this car. On the listing, it's all clean. The dealer said, we never said there was AC. What? So as a newcomer, when you're looking to buy a car, you have to open your eyes, shine your eyes, okay? Don't just trust and believe everything. Don't just take whatever they tell you hook, line, and sinker. Take the car to a mechanic and have them inspect it to make sure that you know exactly what you're getting into and how much it will take you for you to be able to fix that car to your liking.